Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are on the road in Bella, the camper van. I've got my camera lady with me, Sadie. Thanks for coming. Yeah. We're on the road. This is the proper voyage now. Everything is done. Sadie's got the bloody window open. It's -10.
It's bloody hot.
There's snow expected. We're heading from where we live in Devon up to Coventry, then to Rugby, then on to Newcastle, man. Why are you, man? How we a pet? How we a pet? Is that right? How we a pet? Anyhow, off to Newcastle, where apparently there is snow. So what we are actually doing is snow hunting. That's what we're doing. We're looking for snow. Anyhow, yeah. So we're on our way. Big road trip. Let's see how this camper deals. Any breakdowns, any issues, we shall video with a lot. Tears or whatever. I'm hoping everything goes well. I'm a bit nervous, but we're hoping so, won't we, Bab? Look at the shitty weather ahead, though. This is just coming up now, what they call the Mendips. We're heading up the hill into Bristol. So, the last time we were doing this, we were catching a flight, Sadie. How do you feel about that?
Shit.
Yeah, shit. About it being cold and north. It's valley to snow, isn't it? Just stopping to make a quick cup of tea, and we just thought we'd admire the view for a second or two. Look at that. Sadie's still in her Jimmy Jams. Good morning, Sadie. We're in Newcastle now. We've driven all the way here.
Put my makeup on. While you...
She's got Grinch pyjamas and a hoodie.
No, but yeah.
Right, I've got to go and turn the gas bottle on. Can you? All right, Grinch. Right, I'm going to turn the gas bottle on. Don't want to slip over.
Oh, I would like to slip over.
She'd like to see me slip over because she's a lot. Sade, can you open the door, please? Give me the keys. I think it may have snowed. Good morning, everybody. Look at this. It snowed at 5 o'clock this morning. It did. 5 o'clock this morning. That bloke's had his lights on all night. I don't know why, but he has. Look at this snow. This is great, I love it. Listen to that. So quiet. See the moon? Here's Sadie, look. Sadie's going to the toilet in her jammies. Alright then. We arrived in Newcastle and look at the frozenness. It's bloody frosty. Ron and Linda are on there and we're on there. This little campsite, look. He's always got his lights on in his van. I wonder if he knows. But he doesn't know. He's draining his battery. The sun. It is beautiful. Look at the snow, guys. That's the farmer who owns the place. It's all behind lock and key. Lovely place, lovely people. Here's Ron and Linda, look. Linda's got a onesie on. This is the kind of people you see on these campsites, look. Complete crazy fools. Oh, ooh. Careful. Bloody hell. Listen, are you going for that freshwater swim, are you, in the river?
Yeah.
Oh, good, good. So anybody asking me, they can see that Ron and Linda were, because he's got his towel and that.
I do my 10-mile hike first.
Oh my God, isn't it cold? No, it's lovely, it's lovely. The sun's beautiful, isn't it? Right. That's a nice camper look, keep him warm. That's the way to do it. That's Ron's van. So that's his van, it's slightly longer than my van and he tows that caravan with it as well. There's mine, Bella. I think I'm going to upgrade this extra suspension on the back because he looks like he's sagging a bit. Don't know, maybe not. I might have a little walk up here. People keep their caravans here all year round. I don't think they stay here all year round, but they keep the caravans here. Like winter storage. And some have full seasonal pictures. Look at that caravan there. It's nice, isn't it? There's another guy in a caravan down there. But what a lovely place. That sun's coming over the hills now. Coming over, be lovely. It melts, the pathway's a bit frozen, but it'll melt it all. It's good. Right. This is the little washroom where you got ladies' toilet, men's toilet, got a shower, plenty of hot water, radiators are on, hair dryer, sink to do your washing up in, water hose if you want to fill butts. Really good, really good, guys. Got its own code for the door, warm as well. Very slow on the ground. Oh, I wanted to show you, this morning when I came out, I'll insert a link off my phone. There was a Shetland pony here. Lovely little pony. ice on his back, look, he's that cold. But he's got a nice thick coat anyway, eh? Yeah. Hey? Yes. 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 This place is called Byreside. Byreside Camping. I'm sure it's, yeah, Byreside Camping it's called. Ever so nice. Shut the gate. Can't do that one-handed. There we go. Right, and this bit here was no railway line. Now, apparently, dog walkers use it and that. If you go that way, there's a pub. And this brings you back into the campsite. What a lovely little place. Just a lovely fresh shower. Yeah, we're in Newcastle, guys. Riff out love them, yeah. No, it's the way they've got to have the helmet though.
What?
The helmet and that. That's good. That's good. Look at these old buildings, look.
Oh, it's a road place, Newcastle. All the buildings are like this.
Who is that? Who is the guy?
That's the monument.
What's his name at the top?
I've written on at the bottom.
I want a picture
So we'll
of
tell
you.
you.
Hey, excuse me, Geordie Tourist Board. Can you invited us to your town? Can you please tell us who this guy is in the up there?
Aye, I'll tell you when we get closer. It's a surprise.
This is our tourist guide who we've paid the money to take us around Newcastle and show us the way. Well, we paid your wife. You better speak to your missus, mate. So that only boats can go through.
Huh?
I guess it stops the what's it's going through.
What?
Cars and that. I'm going to find out who this bloke is now on the end. Where's Paul? Where's Paul and Julie gone?
Sushi shop.
What? Sushi. Yo, sushi, yeah. We ain't got any of that in Devon. Where's Paul and Julie gone? Oh, they're here. Here she is, Julie Jock's in town. Do you know who he is, this bloke?
No.
Not a clue.
No.
How long have you lived in Newcastle, my dear?
It's Gray's monument.
All my life, all my life. Well, it's got to be something Charles someone, because it says it there, look. Charles Earl Grey.
Charles Earl Grey.
You were close. At least you knew a little bit more about Newcastle than your husband.
Charles Earl Grey.
He's got letters after his name. Where is Paul? Look at these lot, filling their faces. They're all filling their faces, look. Drop's done his, look. And what they bought is they bought pork pies. Jalapeno. The pigsty. Geordie Banger Co. And all in the faces, look. You fat bastard, you fat bastard. You won't catch me eating that, look. I'm on a diet. I'm on a diet, I am. Look, they're over here as well, look.
Ian, it's a shame I actually got a photograph of you eating
shit.
it.
Oh, it's good too. I've been here 40 years.
Nice. It's nice, honestly. That's a sausage roll, that one, isn't it?
That is a sausage roll.
Normal plain pork sausage roll. Bridge up there, look. Bridge. Hard Rock Cafe. Rasta. So many restaurants and bars. Granny. But round this corner here is a massive bridge. What's that bridge called then, Paul? The Tyne. That's the Tyne Bridge.
That's the Tyne Bridge.
I thought it was. It's the first thing you've known about Newcastle since we've been here. And you've lived here all your life. Battery died there, guys. Anyhow, here we go. That's the Tyne Bridge. There's some bits of wire hanging down up there. There's the Tyne Bridge, and then there's two other bridges there. Big one there. And then the new one down there, which is, he's bent round like that pool, that is, it's bent to the side. Yeah. Look at this lot. Oh, man. Years. God knows how old. I think that's a court, isn't it? County court or something. What is it? Crown Court, thought so. Crown Court. Hey, that's where you'll be going if you carry on the way you are. Where they go? It must be a cathedral, surely. We walked up this mental hill down there. This big cathedral. What is it called?
Newcastle Cathedral. Isn't there all that?
Nice building there, that as well. Oh, push can. All lit up down there now. Some of the lights ain't on yet, but most of them are. We can go, can't we? Right guys, we're back on the road. You'll have seen some footage from Newcastle. We're now in Bedlington. We came to see Sadie's niece, but we couldn't find her anyhow. We're heading off now. We're heading to Wrexham now. Thanks for watching guys. If you like that video, please hit the like, subscribe and the notification button so you are made aware when my next video is out. Thanks again.
Yeah.